Because my shop is not that big, sometimes when I want to use my planer, I have to move my bandsaw. Now, I went out and bought Laguna's proprietary mobile base that they make specifically for this saw because I have to move it. And because this base is proprietary and made specifically for this saw, moving it from literally right here to right there is as easy as... It's as easy as... It's as easy... It's just... Oh, that popped out. No, pop out. Here. Oh, okay. It's as easy as... okay, I think I... drop it down. It's as easy as pie.